My name is Austin Allgood, and I'm the owner of Blue Pacific Window Cleaning. We do window cleaning, we do pressure washing, we have a commercial hot water power washing trailer, and we also do water spot restoration. So before SimplicityHR, trying to get my guys paid the way they should be was a pain. It just took a lot of time. SimplicityHR streamlined the whole process for us. Now I can just log on to HR Symphony. I have their total hours and I just punch that in, and I don't have to worry about delivering checks or meeting up with them or anything like that. It's just done. It takes me 5 minutes. But I think more than that, it just takes that mental burden off where I can focus on other tasks and focus on growing the business. Changes my life in a good way. I chose SimplicityHR because you fit our company really nicely. And that's what I felt from the first phone call. Mallory felt like we were friends already, and I really liked that. It made me feel comfortable, and she really listened to my concerns, and that was a big deciding factor for us. Everything is growing really fast, so the future looks bright. We're excited, and now having this in place, it lets us offer a better package to our employees and prospective future employees. So SimplicityHR is the best, and it's helping us to grow a lot faster than we were before. So if you want to grow and improve your business, I think SimplicityHR is the right move.